So let's
What? Okay.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Are you ready?
I was really impressed with the friendly and great service I received from Eric and his staff.
James W. replaced my antenna stickers so fast and was very personable and professional.
I will definitely recommend them. Thank you very much. That's very nice.
I'll keep going back to them for all my autoglass needs. Thank you very much. It's very nice to see.
The best front-end customer service out there. 170th Street location.
Eric did an amazing job. The redhead fella. I even got to fiddle with the TV remote. When this guy came in, he goes, "Can I play with that TV remote?" And I'm like, "Actually, you sure can." And he goes, "No, but for real, I'm allowed?" I'm like, "Yeah."
Great service. I went there for a windshield replacement and walked out in a whole new world. It's a whole new world.
She looked like she genuinely, cut. Genuinely. Genuinely? It looked like she genuinely, no, can't do it. Can't do it.
Stupid word.
They also get the replacement done within an hour, compared to the 3 or 4 hours it takes. Ooh, this place is so far above the competition, it's ridiculous. Ouch, that hurt.
I needed to go in for an emergency shattered glass. They were all so friendly and made a bad day so much better. I remember this lady, she was in tears when she came. It was miserable outside, we got it in, we got it all sealed up for her. We spoke with her, just letting her know, you know what, it's okay, we'll get it all covered up for you and no issues there. And then we were able to send her on her way.
It feels great. Like it's definitely one of those things you just can't help but smile. It's really rewarding. Trying to get everyone feeling good when they come in and feeling great when they leave, and definitely impacts some people that way and makes me happy.
Thank you.
So I really appreciate doing nice high-end work. Looking forward to seeing you again.